one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Zimbabwean journalist Itai Mushekwe dies in Germany. The 27th of August, 2025. Spread the love. By News Desk, Harare, Zimbabwe. The Zimbabwean journalism fraternity is mourning the death of veteran reporter Itai Mushekwe, who has died in Germany at the age of 42. The news of his passing was confirmed last week by fellow journalist John Mokwetsi, who revealed that Mushekwe had, in fact, died months earlier. The announcement only reached close friends and colleagues days before his quiet burial in Cologne, Germany's fourth-largest city. Mushekwe, once a political and arts reporter for the Zimbabwe Independent, left the country more than 15 years ago on a journalism training program in Germany. Like many in the diaspora, he never returned as Zimbabwe's economic turmoil and political upheavals deepened. Despite living thousands of kilometers away, Mushekwe remained committed to his craft. He contributed to various publications, gained recognition as a sharp analyst, and co-founded Spotlight-Z.com, an independent platform focusing on Zimbabwean affairs. He was also regarded as a trusted source by political figures, including former cabinet minister Prof. Jonathan Moyo. A life of dedication, friends and colleagues described him as a loyal, intelligent, and passionate journalist whose love for family and community remained strong despite years abroad. He was the intellectual of our group, the guy who always had a newspaper in hand, who loved debating serious issues and kept us thinking, recalled one of his former schoolmates from Ellis Robbins Boys High. Beyond the newsroom, Mushekwe was remembered as a vibrant and humorous character who enjoyed football, laughter, and mentoring younger talent. He maintained a close relationship with his cousin, Zimbabwean football star Itai Mushekwe, often cheering him on from afar. A lonely passing abroad. Tragically, Mushekwe's final years were marked by increasing solitude. Friends said he had become more private, withdrawing from regular communication. Itai's lone death and lone burial in a foreign land is what pains us most, Mokwetsi said. But we take comfort in the memories of his brilliance and the indelible mark he left in journalism and in our lives. Legacy. News of his death has sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe's media circles, with many colleagues only learning of it through social media tributes. Mushekwe is remembered not only as a determined reporter, but also as a mentor, cousin, and friend who lived with loyalty, dedication, and an unwavering love for the written word. As Zimbabwe reflects on his passing, his story underscores the human cost of migration, exile, and the sacrifices journalists make in pursuit of truth far from home.